Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the Nothing Phone 3a Pro's camera capabilities, breaking down whether these upgrades truly revolutionize mobile photography or if they're just marketing buzz. This latest smartphone from Nothing brings some jaw-dropping specs that could challenge industry giants like Apple and Samsung. Let's take a closer look at what makes this camera system special. Unveiling the Nothing Phone 3a Pro camera system. The Nothing Phone 3a Pro has taken smartphone photography to the next level with a powerful new camera system. Boasting a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens offering up to 3x optical zoom and an astonishing 60x hybrid zoom, plus an 8MP Sony ultra-wide lens for expansive shots. This phone is ready to deliver high-quality images in any scenario. On the front, Nothing has equipped the device with a 50MP selfie camera, ensuring crisp and detailed self-portraits. But the real game-changer here is the main sensor. Compared to its predecessor, the sensor on the Nothing Phone 3a Pro captures 64% more light. This enhancement significantly improves low-light photography, allowing users to take detailed and brighter shots, even in dim environments. Additionally, the sensor's full well capacity has been increased by 300%, meaning each pixel can hold more light for better dynamic range and less noise. AI-powered photography and enhanced image processing. Nothing has integrated its latest TrueLens Engine 3.0 into the 3a Pro, combining hardware enhancements with AI-driven optimizations. This engine leverages advanced tone mapping and scene detection, ensuring that colors remain true to life and images appear vibrant yet natural. If these improvements live up to the claims, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro could rival even the iPhone 16 Pro Max in terms of photography quality. The AI-powered image processing also helps with features such as real-time HDR, night mode enhancements, and intelligent portrait segmentation. Whether you're capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or close-up portraits, this camera is designed to optimize each shot for professional-grade results. 4K video recording with pro-grade stabilization. For video enthusiasts, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro supports 4K recording with stabilization on both the primary and front-facing cameras. This means that whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or capturing high-action moments, your videos will be smooth and shake-free. The inclusion of Ultra HDR support across all cameras ensures that videos are well exposed and detailed, no matter the lighting conditions. Competitive edge. How does it stack up against rivals? Nothing recently put the 3a Pro to the test against the iPhone 16 Pro Max in a real-world camera showdown in London. While we don't have all the results yet, the fact that Nothing is confident enough to pit its device against Apple's flagship says a lot about its potential. Beyond its cameras, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, providing smooth performance for both photography and everyday use. The phone features a 6.72-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering an immersive visual experience. With an IP64 rating, it is resistant to dust and splashes, adding durability to its sleek design. The 5,000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting power, making it an excellent choice for power users. Is the Nothing Phone 3a Pro the ultimate camera phone? With these impressive specs, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro is shaping up to be one of the best camera phones in its category. But is it truly a game-changer in smartphone photography? Or is it just clever marketing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned, because next, we'll be comparing the Nothing Phone 3a Pro head-to-head with its biggest competitors to see how it stacks up. Don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming comparisons and reviews.